Yeah, okay guys, back. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning now. And I guess what's happened? I got mugged down the road. Yeah, I didn't get mugged on the English end, I got mugged on the Spanish end. This guy come up and approached me. And yeah, he's trying to be friendly and €20 go missing. Hey, probably my fault for being a little bit drunk tonight. No, not really drunk, I've had a few, yeah. But, €20 down now. I know I didn't spend the €20, yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Boy, that's what you get when you go out at night. Yeah, maybe you're out on your own. Don't want to bleat on about too much, but be careful, guys. There was just a random guy that come out of nowhere and yeah, thought he'd have a gaff. Obviously, he left for €20 that wasn't his. You know, Benidorm's probably not as safe as you think it is. Hey, it's never happened to me before. I've said that on many videos. So there you go. Annoyed about it? No, I'm not annoyed about it. I'm embarrassed about it, yeah. I really am. I wasn't thinking at the time, yeah. He just come up, give the hustle bustle, and there you go, €20 mission. What do you think, guys? I mean, we're having a bad look at the moment, aren't we? He deserved it because he got the obviously got the money. There's Marcus in the background there. Just got mugged down the road, Marcus.
Hey?
Me.
Yeah.
Aye. Yeah. So, guys, you know what I'm saying? Be careful when you're in Benidorm. Stick in twos. I've been here like loads of years and it's just never happened to me before, but yeah. This morning, last night, whatever, this, no, this morning, that, yeah, I got mugged down the road.
Does Mum know?
Nothing bad about it, but yeah, I'm more embarrassed than anything. Lost €20. There you go. Good job, I got 50 on me, really. You want it, yeah? That's what I'm going to say. Guys, it's probably my fault, yeah. It's my fault for not being.
He's been fucked.
Shoot.
Yeah,
This dude, that's shooting the old. Oh my god. Yeah. There we go. Anyway, guys, what I'm saying is be careful in Bender when you come back when you had a few drinks. Come home in couples. This didn't happen on the English end, it happened on the Spanish end. One guy, that's it. So, I was going to wait till tomorrow and do this video, but I thought I'd do it tonight.
What's this guy look like?
I'm really embarrassed. Well, there you go, guys, only €20, so it's not life. Nobody got hurt.
He will get if I find him.
Yeah, as Michael says, if we find him, we will get hurt, yeah.
English guy or Spanish guy?
Spanish guy.
What, and he's just had the €20?
Big pocket being here.
Yeah,
So
what's your
guys,
phone?
I just be aware I'm used to being over here. It's happened to me.
May I just say you're an idiot?
I'm an idiot, yeah.
That's
I know.
how Dad do it. They wound you. Oh,
Yeah,
all right,
exactly.
amigo, all right, amigo. Hands in your pocket, pump. And see you later, senor.
He's asked next time, but yeah.
Do you remember?
Guys, never happened to me before in Benidorm,
2 questions.
and it probably never will again, but
Whereabouts was it? Where it almost up here?
yeah,
What's he look like?
just by the corner there. Looks like a Spanish guy that needs his head pumping in.
If I see him, he's a dead man.
There we go.
Did you feel him in your pocket?
Nah, I don't even feel him.
Are you sure we smugged you?
Yeah, I'm sure he's mugged me, sir. Absolutely sure about that.
You like safe anywhere?
Yeah, safe Marcus, it's just me being stupid thinking, yeah.
Yeah, but you're walking.
Take care when you come home, guys. That's what I'm saying to you.
You're in the Spanish end of Benidorm.
I think it's safe up here, yeah.
Damn wink on
More,
them. Yeah,
there's more
maybe.
roads up in the Spanish end than the English end. There's a hell of a lot in the English end as well.
How did he do it then?
Usual way, all round.
Being pals.
Sonia, you okay? How are you? You have good night.
Practically what Marcus just said, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm sweating like mad and it's going in my eyes, so.
How come he didn't have your phone as well?
I don't think you get the phone out, to be honest.
That would have felt and gone for fun.
I've had 20 quid in me with my phone. I spent the other 20 quid mine, but yeah.
What, the 20 quid?
So yeah.
When we gave him, I think Jamie's pocket gave him something to get some grub on like that.
That's what it is. So just be aware, guys. Stop in. Well, most of you will do anyway. Stop in twos when you're out here. I'm embarrassed as anything now. Getting mug sounds like you've been bashed over the head now, doesn't it? Pickpocketed. Shall we put it like that then?
And I mean, it's.
Oh man. Oh, how's it going on, man?
Before.
Alright guys, I'm going to get to bed. I think we're over 8 minutes anyway. Just be careful when you're in Benidorm. See you later guys. Bye.